Hello, welcome back to the channel. Hello, welcome back. Just going to do a quick video on the paint that we're doing on top of the Discovery 2 td5. The lacquer has peeled, obviously, as you've seen in the other video, so we're going to sand it down, we're going to paint it, we're going to lacquer it, we're going to make it look nice. So this is just what we're doing with it. Enjoy. Right, this is the roof. You can see we've sanded it down there. Gone through the lacquer. I'm trying to smooth the edges off to get them as smooth as possible so you can't feel them. If you can feel them, you're going to be able to see them. Just record over. Painted the car. So we've had to get through quite a bit of lacquer. You can see we've gone through to the undercoat on there. The rest of the roof's in pretty good condition, but there is a few spots, but it's not worth painting the entire roof.
Thing is, Dad, I know there's some missing up here, but it ain't worth painting the whole roof for it, is it?
And blend the front in. We're going to sort this towel bar out. You can see the paint's flaking off there. We're going to just paint that in black. The rest of the paint on the car's mint, so we'll just get that to look the same. Going to blend it in. I'll tape off these. We're going to take these off, and then there's a bit there on the corner as well. Look, so we'll sand that down, and then we'll blend it in across here, blend it into the edges, and blend it into the top of the roof. So we'll just take the sunroof off, and we'll tape the roof bars off. And when we've done that, we can get on to painting.
Start to tape up.
So you can see there, everything's started to be taped off. We've got some paper to go over the windscreen, and there it is, taped. So we're going to start painting it now. This is the correct colour code. Can't remember what it is. 608, I think. So I'll just start with a thin layer, just to get a base coat on there, and then we'll go over, and we're going to do about 3-4 coats on this. So we'll get them done, then we'll let it dry, and then we can come in with a lacquer. But I'll show you what it looks like once these first few coats have gone on, and you can see what we're doing with it.
But it's going to need a few coats, eh? Because of the black.
So because it's cold today, we're going to dry it off. Helps us to paint it quicker as well. So just with the heat gun on low, you just go over it, warm it up, and dry the paint on. But you can see we've gone over it with a few coats. And you can see after 2 coats, you can still see through the paint.
Second coat on. It won't become shiny until the lacquer's on there. Hopefully you will see this once we've got it thicker.
We like to go on with some thick layers of lacquer. Find if you put it on nice and thick, do a couple of thick coats, then it's a lot easier to get on, and it makes it look a lot shinier than doing lots of thin coat, thin coat, thin coat. It just don't go well for me when I do it like that, so I always do it with a thick coat, and you'll see in the end it will come out very nice. Like in our other videos, always use 2K lacquer. Get it from your paint. As you saw there, we had no sound, so I've had to talk over it, but we're back on the sound now, and this is almost finished. It's still going to be flatted and it's still going to be polished, but even without the flat and polishing, it's looking really good. So I'll flip around and show you. So you can see there, you can see the little motley effect, like the orange peel. That is what's going to be flatted and polished out, and then it'll be as shiny as the bonnet. But that's looking good, so we'll get that done, get it all the paper moved off it. We've painted, just touched up the bars as you can see there, and over there we'll do the bits on the front. Then we're going to refurb the wheels, clean on the inside. We've got a gaiter to come for the handbrake, and what else have we got to do? I think that might be it, you know. I think that might be. I think once that's done, it'll be done, and it's another discovery saved and back on the road. And this is a good one. I think this one's gonna stand the test of time for a bit. So please like and subscribe.